How to create Amazon account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to sign up into Amazon account. For that, simply open web browser on your device. Enter amazon.com on the search bar at top of the screen and press enter on the keyboard. This will help you land on the official website of the Amazon account. Simply, when you open, tap on Hello Sign In Account and List at top of the screen. Here you can see option New Customer Start Here. Click on Start Here link and this will take you to the Create Account page of Amazon where you have to enter your name, mobile number or email, password, re-enter the password and click the Continue button. So let's enter all the information here. Once you are done entering all the information, now click on Verify Email button. Now you have to simply solve this puzzle to protect your account, so place a dot at the end of the card's path. Once done, click on the Confirm button. Once you successfully solve that puzzle, you have to verify your email address. Simply you need to enter the OTP that has to send to your email address. So open your email and check your OTP. Once you verify the OTP, you need to enter the mobile number. So you can click on this US +1 and enter your country's code or mobile number code. So once you verify your mobile number, you can easily see that you have successfully created your account on Amazon. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.